小明儿，小明儿，你在干什么呀？
我在楼梯上跑着，你可以上来。爸爸，你在哪里呢？
Today is you're running away. You notice you need to wipe your mouth. I'm gonna help you with that.
Today
Today is
December 20.
December 10th, 2021. There are 10 days from December 20. We are waiting for the snow. There's supposed to be a snow coming at around 9 a.m. We're still waiting. Is this fun? Ooh. Taking a neighborhood walk with the kids and happy. The lake is almost frozen. Turn around, we're going home. Aw, can I see your face? No. Snow is here. You want to play in the snow? You can step down if you want to.
我想要铲雪。
现在嘛，现在不需要铲雪。
妈妈想。
诶，那是什么鸟的声音？ It's snowing. And it's gonna snow until tomorrow morning. Wanna go play? Can you move forward? This is our current setup. I'm just dragging her for a walk. And she loves it. It's snowing. And we just love the snow. Wait, I can't see you. Now I see you. Can you hear the snow? It's so pretty. You're sledding on your own. Are you getting down? Do you need a push? Was it fun? Go! Good? Mommy's making a snow angel. 这是什么？你在游泳吗？这是趴着的 snow angel。是回家了还是继续玩？回家了，走吧。爬回去吗？ Going home to a winter hat. This is a winter hat I got, and it has arrived. Love it, just in time for the snowy weather. This is so warm. Feels like my head was hugged by all the fluffy stuff. Highly recommend. Was it warm? 这是个扣扣，我看不见你的脸。Oh, so warm.
Back.
Are you vlogging?
And that says our squee. My squee over there.
Are you mimicking mommy vlogging?
Yes.
Okay.
And that says my ball.
That is your ball?
Yes. That says my pink tip. This is my new student. My wall, and this is the fourth station of ground, and this is my stairs.
She has been doing this
Heck.
for over 10 minutes now. She is mimicking me vlogging.
The farmer station, and this is
And introducing objects
huge
around the house.
activities student with S. 喜欢你，
我也喜欢你，糯米儿。
闭着
糯小妹儿，我喜欢你。你喜欢我是不是？我爱你。
喜欢呢。
你只喜欢我是不是？我爱你。
你不说了。
我不说了，为什么？
妈妈不想你。
你不想我跟你表白了？我要跟你表白，我喜欢你。喵。
Okay, can you read here? Did you hear something? Did you hear something?
No.
No.
Reading a book, and I am making this dough to rise overnight so that I can make a bread tomorrow morning. Daddy,
No, Daddy. No, here.
let's go to the fireplace. See if Daddy's at the fireplace. Go check. Go check the fireplace.
No.
What about here? What about over your kitchen?
Here.
Where is Daddy?
Oh, you found.
No, you can say found you.
Can you say I found you? 拍拍爸爸的背说 I found you.
那小明，你今天最开心是什么呀？
不知道。
没有吗？那你今天最不开心是什么呀？
那样
那今天最好吃是什么呀？
是你煮的吗？
今天妈妈没有煮哦。
今天那是那什么？
吃了肉啊？
煮的肉。
不是我煮的，是我们买的。Butternut squash 好吃吗？
是。
你今天再想想，你没有很开心的事情吗？妈妈怎么觉得有一件事情你很喜欢啊？今天下午我们去干什么了？
晚上见吗？
应该是昨天。Hello, pay attention, please. 今天下午我们干什么了？我们去
买东西吗？
没有，你是不是故意开玩笑的？今天下午我们去
Sledding吗？
开心吗？不喜欢啊？
喜欢。
明天还要 sledding 吗？好，妈妈摸你了。哦，你已经躺下了。得见了我。
那你今天睡哪儿呢？
我睡你的房间，你睡爸爸旁边。
好啊。
好啊。得见了。
看到不久 I love you
晚安。
晚安。
It's a winter wonderland out there. I think the snow has slowed down or stopped. Can't wait to play with the fresh snow tomorrow. My bread dough is rising. The kid is asleep. She chose to have a daddy-daughter night tonight, so I get to have my own room and a little playtime.